Hey there, thanks for clicking on today's video. Today we're talking AI for teachers. We'll explain. Also, more chances for families to get free food, PTO support, and much more. Plus, campus close-up at Stevens Elementary, and we're talking football playoffs with our athletic director. Let's get into it. It is Wednesday, November 19th. We want to start off by telling you about an exciting new AI tool offering for our educators. It's called ChatGPT Edu. It's a new version built just for K-12 education. Now, this means that HISD teachers will now have access to secure district-managed AI tools for free. Now, as these tools become more common in the modern workplace, HISD teachers can use them in a protected workspace to save time, plan lessons, and collaborate with colleagues, all while keeping data safe with strong privacy and security safeguards. As part of this new open AI cohort, HISD will also work with other innovative districts to share real classroom insights to support teachers nationwide.
In a secure environment. And so this partnership with OpenAI, it's the first time that we've had the opportunity to have a walled garden that's totally private. So student data is not shared outside of our walled garden. It has the same security features as our internal systems do today. And another thing parents are really secure about, is it going to replace the teachers? Or they automating classroom? Absolutely not. That's not what we're after. This whole project is about reducing administrative overhead for our teachers. It's not changing what or how we teach. It's just giving them more time to focus on what matters most, and that's our students.
At this morning's monthly principal training, Superintendent Miles shared an important update. He told principals that although the idea had been discussed, the district will not be bringing a recommended campus consolidation list to the Board of Managers for possible closures in the 2026-27 school year. He emphasized that while a small number of consolidations may still be needed in future years, the district's priority remains the same, providing every student with an excellent education in safe, well-equipped facilities. Taking extra time now, he said, will help the district explore solutions that ensure any students affected in the future end up in even better learning environments. The Mission Milby Sunrise Center hosted a food distribution earlier today for any families needing assistance.
Muchas gracias. Thank y'all so much for being here.
It's part of our ongoing partnership with the Houston Food Bank. Our Sunrise Centers are the place to go for any support. They offer on-site food pantries and weekly food distributions, including larger events like this one to help meet increased demand. This week's food giveaways continue tomorrow at the Marion Park Community Center from 10 a.m. until noon. Then on Friday, it'll be at the Brock Sunrise Center from 9:30 a.m. until noon. Families are encouraged to pre-register using the QR codes that we posted on our social media pages. If you're on Facebook or Instagram, just look for the flyers that look like this. You can also register on the Houston Food Bank's website. And don't forget, our Sunrise Centers are here to help with more than just food. They offer medical care, mental health support, case management, clothing, student and parent enrichment, and much more. We have 8 centers throughout the Houston area, and we posted a link to all the locations on our Instagram. The link is in our bio. Also happening this week at our Sunrise Centers, our Family and Community Engagement Team, or FACE, is hosting a PTO PTA Meet and Greet for fellow PTO and PTA leaders. Now, you still have a chance to attend tomorrow's. It's happening from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at the YDC Sunrise Center. Now, at these meetings, parents involved in the PTO or PTA program at their child's school will be able to network with other parents, share ideas, and hear from local community partners who can help you make your school much stronger. Well, Campus Close-Up is taking us to Stevens Elementary this week, home of the Stallions. Now, when I talked to Principal Ellison, she told me that her students and teachers are focused on getting that A rating. Today's news story that just went up on the channel is about 2 teachers at Stevens who are helping the school reach that A through focused reading instruction to hands-on learning in the science lab. The story is also on our Instagram and Facebook pages, so be sure to check it out. And while you're on the channel, check out our conversation with HISD Athletic Director Andre Walker. He stopped by to talk football playoffs this week and a little bit of basketball. And take a look, here's the schedule for those playoff games. 2 HISD teams are still in the running for that state title. The Yates Lions are going up against the Pine Tree Pirates in Longview Friday night. Kickoff is at 7:30. Yates is undefeated, sitting at 11-0, while Pine Tree is 7-4. Also on Friday and back here at home, Lamar is going up against Strake Jesuit at 7 p.m. at Del Mar. Best of luck to both teams. Well, that's it for today on HISD Now. Thank you again for clicking the video. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you know when new content goes up. We'll see you right back here tomorrow. Have a good one.